समग्र शिक्षा अभियान कस्तूरिबा गांधी बालिका विद्यालयं याडिकी మన బడి ప్రకృతిని ప్రేమిద్దాం పర్యావరణాన్ని రక్షిద్దాం. We love reading for better future. Good morning my dear future builders. I am Maheshwari working as biological science ERT at Yadiki KCBV in Anantapur district. You are all not attend to regular classes due to in pandemic situation. So we are conducting virtual classes. The virtual classes means it is the online teaching for learning teachers and students. Now we recall few scientists and their workouts in first lesson and second lesson of 10th class. So you should write some important points about the scientist. Why? Because some scientist workouts and their names coming from in your exams. Okay, first C.B. Van Neel. C.B. Van Neel simplified equation is photosynthesis, that is CO2 plus 2H2O gives rise to CH2O plus H2O plus O2. While observing this equation tells for each molecule of carbohydrate formed, one molecule of water and one molecule of oxygen is produced. Van Neel first worked on purple sulfur bacteria and found light plays a specific role in photosynthesis. In above equation, instead of H2O, they used H2S as a starting material. Elemental sulfur is evolved. Next coming from Robert Hill. He showed oxygen is released from water. 6CO2 plus 12H2O gives rise to C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. Photolysis reaction discovered by Robert Hill. That's why the photolysis reaction is called as Hill reaction. Next scientist is Priestley. He is a teacher, author and natural philosopher also. Priestley identified and discovered oxygen in 1774. The name oxygen was coined by Lavoisier in 1775. Priestley hypothesized plants restore the air. The next scientist is Engelmann. Engelmann is the German scientist. He detected the point of maximum rate of photosynthesis. He proved light energy is converted to chemical energy with the help of chloroplast in photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, this is the one process. That means plants prepare their own food with the help of sunlight, water and carbon dioxide also, and produced oxygen and glucose molecules. The next scientists are Pelletier and Cavendish. They are obtained an extract of the green colored substance. That name is chlorophyll. It means green leaf. Chlorophyll is present in chloroplast. Chloroplasts are present in green leaves. Now coming from second lesson, some scientist. Lavoisier. He is the father of modern chemistry. He discovered carbon dioxide. This is called as fixed air. Carbon dioxide is the precipitated lime water. René Laennec discovered the stethoscope. Stethoscope doctors used to hear the heartbeat. The next scientist is Girolamo Fabrizi. He is an Italian doctor. He was studying the veins in the leg. Veins had small walls in them. If the blood moved in one direction, when blood moved in the opposite direction, the walls are closed. Veins, a special carrying blood from body parts to heart. It means the veins carry impure blood. Next scientist is William Harvey. William Harvey made the momentous medical discovery that the flow of blood must be continuous and that its flow must be in one direction only. He is one of the most important discoveries in medicine, but also was one of the founders of the modern science. The next scientist is Marcello Malpighi. He identified smallest arteries and veins were connected by very fine blood vessels. These are called capillaries. In Latin means hair. Charles Hufnagel. He was a surgeon at Washington in USA. He was the first kidney transplantation was performed between identical twins in 1954 in India. First kidney transplantation was done on 1st December 1971 at Christian Medical College, Vellore, Tamil Nadu. Brugman is a botanist. Botanist means who studied on only plants. That scientist is a botanist. He proved from his experiments that the roots not only absorb fluids from soil, at the same time returns a portion of their peculiar secretions back into the soil. Next coming the scientist is Galen. He was a Greek physiologist. He made one notable observation. The Galen concluded that nerves were of two types. Those are sensation and those are action. Which are sensation? That nerves called as sensory nerves. Which are action? That nerves are called motor nerves. The next scientist is Paul Langerhans. In 1868, he is first of all he is a professor of pathology at the University of Freiburg in Germany. Working on the structure of pancreases, noted certain patches of cells quite different in appearance from the normal tissue cells of the organ and richly supplied with blood vessels. They are known as islets of Langerhans. So islets stands for islands. The function of pancreas is and found that its removal from the body of an experimental animal would lead to the development of diseases similar to well-known human alignment, sugar diabetes. This is a condition in which the amount of free sugar in the blood and in the urine is abnormally high. Its a cause in man was unknown, but evidence pointed to pancreas as a possible role. In the next stage, the Langerhans found tying up the pancreatic duct that emerged from duodenum. Duodenum is the part of small intestine would cause the pancreas to degenerate, but islets of Langerhans would remain normal. The strong evidence that level of blood sugar is linked with the islet cells. By in 1912, workers were convinced that the islets produced a secretion which directly liberated into the blood. In Latin, insula means an island.